My project aims to increase the food production by improving photosynthesis. Other than plants, cyanobacteria, or many of you know it as blue-green algae, also photosynthesize. And they photosynthesize a lot faster because of the harsh condition they are living in. And this is with the help of a specialized compartment called carboxysomes. My research is to manipulate the plant's DNA, so the plant will also produce these specialized compartments. These specialized compartments are so small that it's only a millionth of a millimeter and can be only seen under a transmission electron microscope. This is how the plant cell look like under the transmission electron microscope. And this is the chloroplast, where the photosynthesis happened in the plant cell. So these are the images of the chloroplast. On the right is, we have edited the DNA, and you can see that the specialized compartments have been produced in this chloroplast, which you cannot see in the unedited version, which is on the left. And these carboxysomes also can be isolated and look under transmission microscope, and here it is. And you can actually see the very special shapes of it. So this has been a big breakthrough, but more components are still needed for it to be functional. And we hope that eventually we can produce plants that have increased photosynthetic efficiency and higher food production.